Hello guys and welcome back to Tactics Tutorial. In today's video, we will talk about how to send mass email in Zoho CRM. So, as you can see right now, we're currently in Zoho CRM and I would like to demonstrate how you will be able to utilize the mass emailing feature in Zoho. Now, the mass emailing feature is a very useful and important feature, especially if you have a lot of contacts under your Zoho. In our case, over here, we have a lot of examples over here. A lot of sample emails. And in real-life application, you would have thousands and thousands of records of emails that you would like to send an email to. And of course, if you want to update them, send them an email, you would need to create a lot of individual emails if you want to email them. But that is if you're going to email them manually or normally. And in Zoho CRM, we have a feature that would allow us to email as many users as we want, as long as, of course, they are under our contacts. So to get started, what we're going to do is we're going to click over here on the right side. We're going to look over here and you will be able to see that there are two options, specifically under the contacts section over here, where you will be able to see all kinds of information and contacts of our different users. And over here, you can see we have create contact and actions. What we would like to select is the actions over here. Over here, you might notice that there are a lot of options available, and you might see here the option to do mass emails, which is what we will be focusing in today's video. You might also notice that there is mass update and mass delete, which we will be able to use to modify directly our leads. So simply select it or select mass email to get started. Keep in mind that you won't be able to use this feature, the feature of mass email, if you're using a free version. We could check out the different plans available in Zoho CRM over here. Previously, my account was in free version, so I was not able to access and utilize this feature at all. But if you use standard and above, plans above standard, you will be able to use the mass emailing feature. So you have to have standard, or maybe you have professional, ultimate, enterprise, or CRM plus. If you have all of those, you will be able to utilize our mass email feature over here. So let's start by clicking on create mass email. Over here, what we're going to do is we could select our contact list. Who do we want to send the emails to? We have different options over here. We have all contacts, so regardless of any categorization, any tags, any groupings, it will send the email that we want to create to all of them. We could also have specific groups be targeted, like mailing labels, unread contacts, new this week, new users this week, new users last week, recently created contacts, recently modified contacts, my specific contacts if you have your own personal contacts. You have unsubscribed contacts if you want to inform those people who have unsubscribed on you, or even email all the locked contacts. You can also have a specified criteria over here of what you want. So we have, let's say, account name, and you could put in the condition over here. Let's say is, and then you could put it over here. So if you want to have a specific account name targeted, so let's say all the people named Sarah, it will be targeted. You could also have here other conditions or other factors, such as, let's say, the phone number ends or is not empty. Let's say is not empty, as you can see here, meaning every contacts that you have that has a phone number will receive this email. So you could have those type of specific criteria. So that's a really great thing as well. And we could select a template over here. Let's click on create template. which we will be able to create a design of our email, what it would look like, and those kind of things, as you can see here. There are multiple templates over here. If you want to create a blank, like you create everything from scratch, you could do that. You could have basic templates like columns, 2 columns, columns with an image, 3 columns, all of those things. There's also ones that already has a design and template over here. We have birthdays, Christmas, all kinds of events. You have invitations over here, follow-up, product promotions, notifications, emails, stuff like that. So let's say maybe this one, thank you email. Let's check what it out. Over here, as you can see, it utilizes the drag and drop element, where you can just drag and select any element from our left side over here and be able to drag it into our template over here, as you can see. So we have text, images, spacers, image text, buttons, columns, tables, and background. Over here in the center, this is our actual template. So we have our company name. If you want to modify this, this is actually the logo. Click on modify, and you will be able to change the image being displayed on the top. You could also change this part over here, this text over here. Basically, every single part you will be able to modify. There's also some simple formatting over here at the top, formatting controls. And you can change whatever you want, depending on how you want it. You could add whatever you want. And if you're satisfied, we could save it and use that right away. So let's name our template testing or sample. Save. Oh, we have our subject over here, sample. There we go. Click on save. Select a folder, public email templates. I'll refresh it, and there we go. We now have our template, and then you could select where it is from. You could select record owner's email, and then you have some follow-up actions over here. If the email is clicked, opened, or bounced, you could do certain activities as well. So simply click on send, and now the mass email has been sent, as you can see here. And you can even see some email statistics over here. You have set email. You could see how many emails have been sent or delivered or bounced. And you could even see more options or more information, such as if the email was opened or if the email was not clicked, stuff like that. It will expound or expand our statistic over here. So anyway guys, that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.